Hey guys, I just met Louis over here. He's also camping as well. But I need to go to the next destination. Man, enjoy your holidays.
Nice.
Thank you. Hey guys, so we're done with the first stop. And now we're just trying to exit to leave this area, the mountainous area, to go to the next campsite where we're gonna do some activities. So let's go. This is Pui O beach area near the campsite. This is more like the little CBD, like for the sun place. So cute. It's so tiny. I'm just trying some local noodles and my bags are there. Here I am. I need to eat because I haven't eaten anything from morning. Feel so hungry. So I'm gonna be heading to the next camping site. I need about 1 hour. I've already traveled for 2 hours. It's just fish eating. It's not time to make the bus. That's like a beautiful restaurant like in the middle of the village. But I have some milk fish up here and drinking. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you in the future.
See you next time.
Okay, bye bye. Okay. So I need to drink whilst I carry my luggage and go to the next station. Oh my gosh, it's already good. I need to find the camping site. Like that's the plan for now. And I need to buy some fruits, but it seems like things are so expensive here. I think I'm not gonna be able to buy fruits. Just have to finish my milk tea. It's made from bean, and that's like the bus station. And that's it. So I'm coming from. Like I just ate some stuff. So we're gonna try to walk to go to the bus station. That is the plan for now. So let's go. Whilst I drink the milk. So simple. But it's like a village. It's part of Hong Kong as well. You guys, so the bus just dropped me in the middle of the mountains, in the midst of nowhere for 24 minutes. Oh my god, it's gonna be a long journey. But I hope I'm gonna get to the camping site. Because I need to find like a camping site where I'm gonna camp tonight in readiness for tomorrow's adventure. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna make it. My friend, whom I'm supposed to meet, he's been walking from 8 a.m. in the morning up to now. I think he's about to arrive soon. But I have about 4 minutes to go. So yeah, let's go together. It's scary because I'm in the bush, you know. Only the highway, the roads are passing, and then I doubt if there can be anybody to help me out. So it's everybody's busy. I just have to walk to find my way. The crazy part is like after the bus dropped me off, my network froze. It stopped working. I tried it several times to connect, to talk to my friend, but it couldn't connect, you know. It was so crazy. But suddenly the map started working. So I'm just following the map, even though I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, let's go. My legs are paining so much, but I can't do anything about it because, I don't know. Yeah, so let's go. also just at the camping site here. It's where I slept for the morning. It was so good and I feel so happy. And people are just waking up, the toilets over there. And the place is quite big, but it's interesting. I think there's some people sleeping already. And here's my luggage. Again, stuff luggage I've been using, like when I've been camping. But I feel so happy. It was just like in the bush, like out of nowhere. Like where we stayed last night. And yeah, it's so cool. Like we're just waking up. This is my luggage and my little tiny house over here. Let me give you guys a tour. Outside is where I put my legs. This is my pillow for swimming. I can use it like as a safeguard. That's my headboard, like over there. Here we have my laptop bag, like the main bag which has got the electronics. And then here, this is more like my pillow with my bed. Let me try to look up. So people, here we've got like the master bedroom where I can sleep and also maybe take some bread, some drink over there, and charge my phones with the power bank. Oh my god, let's sleep on the pillow. This thing has been so helpful. Oh, feels so cool. The brother just gave me some eggs here. So I need to park now and get ready to leave. Those are my clothes. I was just trying to dry them. It's been raining a little bit sometimes, and also they were wet because I've just been carrying them in the bag. I decided to dry them on the just sun. Here in my little tiny tent. I need to start packing my stuff as I get ready to go to the next destination. Thank you for watching my video. The weather is pretty good. Let's try to take a picture of the sky like that. Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready to leave now. I need to package my tent. Last night, and let's try to go around. Like there were so many people camping like around this area, and I'm just finalizing my camping. So this is a beautiful place which has been kept on top of the mountain. It's clean, and then it has a toilet and also like a bin nearby. It is kept clean, even though the disadvantage is they don't have water nearby. For you to go to the water area, you have to walk for a long distance. That is the only disadvantage. And then the people, they come camping even though there's also no lighting for the night time, so it's usually dark and scary. If you wanna camp here, I can advise you to come with your own lighting and your own stuff for cooking. So from here, you can also cook. Barbecue, some wooden from the forest there, and then they also have some wood sofa for sitting. It's beautiful. I came here last night had fun. So I'm about to check out. As you can see, the environment is so lively and clean. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find yourself in Hong Kong and camping in the mountains, hey guys, I want to drink some water. I'm so thirsty. They said the water source is stream water and supply is seasonal. So let's see if it's working. Oh my god! I'm so thirsty! No water! I'm dead. I'm thirsty like hell. No water. I just have to follow the trail to go look for water. Jayo. This is a trail which takes us to the Shuilong campsite. So it takes about 0.8 kilometers to get there. I'm so tired, but cool. So I just arrived at the starting point. I try to go and get some water and then try to head to the next destination.
Very tired.
Hey guys, so I need to get some water now. Oh, the water is so hot. We're gonna be going on a long journey, but we haven't eaten and drunk anything, so I need to get some water to use like as we go on the journey. And my friends whom I met, they're just trying to help me make a video. This is real water. I think you can use for drinking, but I'm so... 在家可以吧？拿水？
哦，那个水可以用。
这可以喝，这能喝？
它是热的还是
凉的。
凉的？
你在家也可以喝。
对，
你们可以喝几瓶？
喝饱再走。
I just met some new friends here. They showed me around, helped me around, and I'm about to leave now. Thank you. Bye bye.